Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating. Today I'm going to show the comparison of layouts. Um, we could put the heater in one location or orientation rather, or versus a different orientation. In the previous video I just showed how the heat output would affect this patio here with the units going, we'll call it parallel with this long edge here. And now we're going to go perpendicular to that long edge and see what happens there. So here's a you can see in this orientation we have a better coverage. We have this 12 foot this direction and then 10 foot this direction, and it's also uniform. So if you were a person sitting between any of these places here, the same intensity approximately would be penetrating you no matter where underneath that you sat. As opposed to if we just turn this off for a second and go back to the original, you'll see that in this orientation, if you were sitting over here, you'd be in a real warm spot, and over here you'd be at the furthest throw of the output of the heater. So this orientation here works, it's just not as comfortable and it's not as effective. So this application here, I believe the client said there would be some lighting along these beams that are going across here, so that's why I kind of left them in this orientation. But yeah, definitely there'd be a better option if you went with this orientation here as far as uniform coverage of the patio. And you can see also here with this application that we still are missing some distance here. I'd say this is approximately 4 or 5 feet on either side, and there are going to be drop downs and we can't mount a heater on either edge. If we could, then we would, but you'd have to bring the heater out further, and it's possible to do, but I believe there's going to be some isinglass on one side or the other. You don't want this direct heat ray to heat up a portion of that isinglass, and it'll melt it pretty rapidly, I think. So anyways, there you go. There's the kind of a comparison on what would happen with regards to orientation. The same exact product, just mounted a little bit differently. Thank you.